Namaskar. Today we are going to discuss about VPN. Previously, we are just talking about Gskiller. So many videos I have created for Gskiller and A5 as well. So I got some new request and I just want to complete my Palo Alto. So I am covering all the things when I'm getting time. So this is the Palo Alto English versions audio. So I'm just completing this one as well, and I'm creating so many videos for ticket. I will uploading in one shot, no problem. So basically today I'm going to cover this topic for VPN on what is the VPN, virtual private network. Everyone knows that, so you are not going to dictate anything in the interview. So no one going to ask me what is VPN. So type of VPN they will ask. That if you are going to Google it, they will IPsec, Open VPN, so many things, layer 2, L2TP. There is so many things that you are going to show. If you can open a new window, then and you will get side to side VPN, cloud VPNs. There is so many kind of VPNs over there. So to be honest, I am not familiar with all those. So I'm just going to cover two types of VPNs. One is remote access and the other is side to side. It will help you to. So what is remote access and what is side to side? Okay, so I'm just going to cover it. Before I am just complete go to the practical lab, so I'm just give you some overview. I know someone is aware of it, but who are the new or the beginners? Just a simple thing. You have to just remember that if this is your office, remote access. If I'm talking about remote access, you go to somewhere weekend or vacations, as you know that there is an right now work from home. Okay, you are sitting on your home or your hill station where you have to go. Now this is your firewall. Just assume it is your firewall. Here is your office. It's called HO, head office, HO headquarter. In between, now you are sitting in, it is in Kolkata and you are sitting in Darjeeling hill station. Beautiful. Now how we are going to connect from here to here? So now you need something from your HO server, database server, or you need to connect to your HO. Now Darjeeling, from here to here you cannot create a dedicated fiber, right? Now what you have to do? Then remote access VPN come to the picture. Okay, what we have to configure? In firewall you have to configure VPN based on your firewall device like Palo Alto or FortiGate or Cisco ASA. Cisco ASA most of the wiped out. You have to create remote access VPN. Remote access VPN. Okay. Then what you have to do? Either you can create a portal where you have to see all those applications, or you can just configure install one application like FortiClient Global Protect, and there will be a logic and tunnel connect to your firewall, and based on the policies and request you can able to access your HO server or whatever it is, or the applications of your internal applications. So this is the simple thing that you have to configure the remote access. Basically what you have to do, you have somewhere else out of your office. Okay, and your office is located different, then what is the process? You can just connecting from your system to your laptop. Okay, this is the remote access. Now, if I'm talking about I'll go to deep, no problem. Site to site and remote access. There's so many things in site to site. That is IPsec. Yes to S. Using protocol IPsec. IP security. I'm not going to deep. I'm going to give you all the information over IPsec phase 1, phase 2, IKE version 1 and IKE version 2, ESP, okay, then main mode, aggressive mode, okay, then Haggle, security association. There is so many terms in IPsec VPN. Okay, so we will talking it one by one. जिनको हिंदी आती है, you can go to my Hindi audio. There will I have created a very important topic already covered in Hindi. No problem. It's an English version, so no problem. So IPsec, then IPsec or site to site. What you have a remote office here in Kolkata, and here one is Delhi, Delhi, and one is Bangalore. Now what you have to, अब इन तीनों को connect करना है. How you can connect it via 3? You cannot create a direct firewall like this to this, right? Then it will be a huge cost. There is another option. You can take MPLS connection to connect your, but it will be a heavy cost. Sometime what happened, if you are using Tata, in some locations you have a remote locations office, and during their Tata is not there, then how you can communicate with Tata to create a MPLS for your system, and it will be a huge cost as well. So for that, there will be a solution that you need two public IPs. One is here public IP, there is here. Then you can create a logical tunnel to Kolkata to Delhi, or Delhi to Bangalore, Bangalore to Kolkata, and vice versa. You just create one logical tunnel. There will be no physical connectivity. Okay. Just give you example. Here, Kolkata, we are using Vodafone. Delhi using Tata, using Airtel. Then there is no three different ISPs, but you can create logical tunneling like this, like this. So this is a situation that मुझे इंग्लिश इतनी अच्छी नहीं आती है, then I can explain more better, but this is a situation that I have to explain as much as can. Okay, so sorry for that, but I can try to make as more as easier that you can understand it. Sorry, there is so many fumbling over there. I don't care about it. I know the technology. I can do it. No problem. So that confident you need also. Doesn't matter what language it is, but you need to know. But to be honest, it's need English language. Most of the cases, just you have to explain your expressions and the technology and terms. Then it will help you to upgrade. Else everyone is, as you know, English only. English is the language, other is bogus. No problem. This is the basic scenario for the side-to-side VPN and the remote access VPN. If I'm talking about this is the side-to-side VPN. You can get it over here as well. If there is showing IPs, before it is showing, now I can see IPsec. If you see, this is an IPsec. secure socket SSL. It is using FortiGate, it using SSL secure SSL. Any connect SSL VPN site SSL. If you are going to see SSL client internet, over the internet you are connecting SSL server gateway. So I'll give you all the details, no problem. How it is connect, what will be the troubleshooting you have to going to do. I'm doing it on Palo Alto as well as Fortinet as well. Okay, so first of all, I'm going to configure the Palo Alto Global Protect. Then configure the Fortinet SSL, and I'll do it one shot in Fortinet videos, no problem. Already I have prepared so many videos. So this is the small thing, just I have configured covered. Then I'll creating the global protect. Okay, and portal gateway. Then we have to create. We haven't created anything, so this is just will take at least 30 to 40 minutes to just configure, just basic configuration. Then you have to what I can say, से क्या कहते हैं भाई, streamline. You have, if you want to streamline it means then it will take some time. You will check, no problem. When I'm configuring it, I will show step one by one, no problem. During that time I'm creating a document as well. I have already one. I will also do that same thing, no problem. So I'm just going to complete this. Still there is so many things need to complete for Palo Alto, Zscaler, F5 as well. mm, uh, Azure as well. जय हिंद, नमस्कार। आज के लिए इतना ही। सो